In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem DoorDash gift card. Redeeming a gift card on DoorDash is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. First, go to the official DoorDash website in your browser. Type the address directly into the address bar rather than following a random link, and check for the secure lock icon so you know you're on the legitimate site. You can use either a desktop or a mobile browser. The layout may look slightly different, but the steps are the same. Next, log into your account. Click Sign In, enter your credentials, and complete any verification prompts you might see. If you're already signed in, you're good to continue. Keep your login details private and avoid signing in on shared or public devices whenever possible. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. It may display your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu contains your personal settings, past orders, and most importantly for today, your payment options. From the menu, select Payments. In some layouts, you'll also see a gift cards option within the Payments area. Either choice leads you to the same place, where you manage balances and credits tied to your account. Give the page a moment to load so every field is visible. On the Payments or Gift Cards page, find the box labeled Redeem Gift Card. Now, carefully enter your gift card code exactly as it appears. If you have a physical card, gently scratch off the protective strip to reveal the code. If it's a digital card, copy it from the email and paste it into the field. Watch for easy-to-mix characters such as the number 0 versus the letter O or the number 1 versus a capital I. If you paste, double-check that you didn't include any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Keep this code private and only enter it on the DoorDash website. When the code is in place, click Redeem. You should see a confirmation message, and your DoorDash credits balance will update to reflect the amount on the card. That credit is attached to your account, so it will be available on any device where you're signed in. On eligible orders, credits typically apply automatically during checkout, and you can always return to the Payments or Gift Cards section to review your updated balance. If an error appears, recheck the code for typos and confirm you're on the correct redemption page. Persistent issues can be resolved by reaching out to DoorDash support through the Help Center. And that's all there is to it. Go to the DoorDash website, log in, open your profile, choose Payments or Gift Cards, enter your code, and click Redeem. Enjoy your next meal.